How to use Miro for collaborative whiteboard sessions. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Miro for collaborative whiteboard sessions with your team. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Go to Miro.com and log in or sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click Create a New Board to get started. Choose a blank board or select a template based on your session type: brainstorming, planning, mind mapping, or team retrospectives. Use sticky notes to jot down ideas, drag in shapes to create diagrams, and add connectors to show relationships between concepts. You can also upload files, images, or embed videos to keep everything in one place during your session. To collaborate in real time, invite your team using the Share button. They can add notes, move elements, and comment live, perfect for remote brainstorming. Use the built-in video chat or timer feature to keep discussions focused and on track. And don't forget to organize your board with frames so it's easy to navigate later or export as a PDF. And that's how you run a smooth, collaborative whiteboard session using Miro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.